Welcome back, guys. This is the latest update of our 23-way spray coatings and sealants longevity test, this being update number 14, or the 9-month mark. With most of these expected to last about a year or so, this test is getting pretty long in the tooth, but all are very easy to use compared to a standard ceramic coating. Many on here have been very impressive so far. So it's been relatively cold with an average amount of rain, but let's see how these are getting on. So last 30 days weather, as well as the lifetime weather that this hood has seen, is on your screen here. And if you'd like to support the channel, all you need to do is hit that like button, subscribe, and of course comment down below if you have any experience with any of these products. If you do plan on purchasing any of them, please consider doing so through the links in the video description, as it really does help the channel out so you can continue to see tests like this one. If you're just joining us, please be sure to check out the entire series of these videos, as there is a ton of work that goes into the research, prep, install, and continued testing of these. Definitely been some interesting results so far. So let's jump right into it. Sonax ceramic spray, it is our first failure at the 9-month mark. Griot's 3-in-1 still hanging in there. We've tested that in the past. Expect anywhere between 8 to 12 months with that, and new finish graphene sort of about the same as far as that goes. Adams Advanced Spray, not a whole lot left, not to the point where we would call it failed, but it is very weak. Wolfgang Uber, it's another one very close. Not quite ready to call that one failed, but it is very close. White Diamond Graphene has failed. McKee's Hydrographene also getting very, very weak. And if you look at Rain-X Graphene, there we called it failed at the 6-month mark. There's a little bit hanging on. Avalon King Boost, they have reformulated that product because it was very difficult to install, and I actually have the new version, which will be tested here in an upcoming test. Flitz Ceramic had marked failed at the 5-month mark, but again, there's a little bit that came back, but it's pretty much failed. I'm still sticking with that. Soft 99 Trees, I don't know, would you call that failed? I think it's sticking pretty good. Some of the others that we've called failed, still along the same lines there. So yeah, I think Soft 99 Trees, we're going to call that failed. I think it was originally only a 3-month product. Geon Evo Can Coat, probably the standout amongst this test. Very great hydrophobics. Not quite as easy to install as some of the others, but yeah, you see Sonax like a little bit comes back, but I think at this point, we're just going to go ahead and call it failed. Tell me if you think we should call Wolfgang failed too. I'm kind of on the fence on that one. So there is your 9-month update. Have some getting very weak, but Griot's new finish, both of those still doing well as Can Coat, Geon Can Coat. But Adams, well on its way to failure, as is Wolfgang, Geon Evo Can Coat. There you go. So I think we're going to run this out until about the 12-month mark, but I think it's pretty clear we have 3 very nice standouts. Geon Evo Can Coat, Griot's, and New Finish Graphene. So thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.
Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.